Hi again, everyone. So this is the second presentation for week 3, and it's looking at the different patterns that we have in our academic paragraphs that we've just explored in the previous presentation. And in particular here, we're looking at what's called the thesis illustration pattern of an academic paragraph. So let's have a look at that, because this leads you directly to activity 2.6, which is part of your first assignment that you're going to submit next week. So if we remember, the basic academic paragraph structure has 3 main parts: the say it or topic sentence, the prove it or supporting information sentences, and finally the clinch it or the concluding sentence. So what we can do with that basic structure is look at different patterns that still fit in, that still follow that basic academic paragraph structure, but they have different purposes. So there's 5 of them, and these are listed on page 79 of your study guide. We can have a thesis illustration paragraph, what's called a time order paragraph, a cause and effect paragraph, a compare contrast paragraph, and a problem solution paragraph. So each of those will still have a topic sentence, prove it points, and a concluding sentence, but they'll all do something slightly different with the way they use those parts of the academic paragraph. So there's examples of all of them and ways to write all of them in the study guide in module 2, but the one we're focusing on at the moment is the first one, called the thesis illustration paragraph. So let's have a look at that. So the point of a thesis illustration paragraph, the point of that pattern, is to put forward what we call a point of view. So the fancy academic word for that is putting forward a thesis. That's all it means. So our thesis is our point of view that we're wanting to make in the rest of the paragraph. It's our main idea that we're wanting to put forward. So then the paragraph in the prove it points puts forward and provides examples that explain or describe the point of view. So it illustrates the thesis. It proves the topic sentence. So you can see here, I've just made some connections between the language that we used in the previous presentation. So in a thesis illustration paragraph, our topic sentence is called our thesis, one sentence. Our prove it points are our illustrations that explain or describe the thesis, and our concluding sentence is that thesis sentence or statement revisited. So what do you need to do next? So activity 2.2-6 is for your first assignment, and it asks you to submit a thesis illustration paragraph. So you should be at a point now where you can get this ready to put together with the next activity, and you'll submit them both at the end of week 4. So if you look through and read the study guide from pages 80 to 82 really carefully, they model exactly what you need to do for to complete activity 2-6. So look through it really methodically, go step by step, and you really can't go wrong. If you do have questions about any of the processes there that it's taking you through to produce your thesis illustration paragraph, make sure you get in contact with me, or if you're an internal student, get in contact with your campus lecturer. Okay, best of luck.